We are following late-breaking developments at this hour as reaction to today's Supreme Court decisions pour in.
Now, the High Court struck down President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan, and that plan would have delivered up to $20,000 in loan relief to millions of borrowers struggling with that debt. The decision was 6-3, with Chief Justice John Roberts writing for the conservative supermajority. Roberts says the Biden administration would need congressional approval to execute such a move. The justices also took issue with the plan's wording. President Biden just spoke about the ruling and says he'll try to roll out a new plan to help eliminate some student loan debt.
16 million people had already been approved. The money was literally about to go out the door. And then Republican elected officials and special interests stepped in.
Now, we know this ruling will impact thousands across the area, with some now wondering how they'll be able to handle paying their student loans, given those payments are set to resume in the fall after a pause during COVID.
All right, and with all of this in mind, News 5 anchor Katie Houston went looking for answers and resources for borrowers who are concerned they may not be able to pay down the debt.
It will help everybody out in the long run.
Any further burden or attempts to kind of make this whole paying off loan situation harder, I think is just really damaging to the progress of our country.
We're neglecting just a whole sphere of people who have a lot to offer, just not money.
Reaction from some Clevelanders following the Supreme Court's decision to strike down President Biden's student loan forgiveness program. In Cleveland, there's about $2.6 billion in outstanding federal student loan debt. That's about 70,000 borrowers with an average of $38,000 in debt. City Council estimates the average payment at about $300.
I think the most important thing right now is just to be aware that repayment is definitely starting again in October.
I talked with Legal Aid Society of Cleveland attorney Josh Rovinger. He tells me student loan debt disproportionately affects Black and brown borrowers in Cleveland and nationally. And people over 50 are the fastest growing population with student loan debt.
We're expecting a wave of borrowers who haven't made payments for 3 years to fall back into delinquency and default. It means the federal government can garnish wages without going to court, seize earned income tax credits or Social Security retirement benefits without going to court. For people on an everyday level, this really, it just makes such a critical difference in their ability to have financial stability in their lives.
He says even before the pandemic, the student loan system was in crisis, with a new borrower defaulting every 26 seconds. While it's unclear what action the president may take next, he says now is the time to prepare for October, when repayment resumes following a 3-year pandemic pause.
The Department of Education is about to be releasing a new income-driven repayment plan that's supposed to be the most generous of all of those that are available. For many borrowers, particularly my clients, they're eligible for $0 monthly payment income-driven repayment plans. And just by signing up, they're eligible to keep their loans in good standing, even though they're not actually making any payments.
I would imagine it'd be pretty overwhelming thinking about all of this. So who's the first call they should make if they have questions?
Yeah, so we are definitely a resource for the community. We have a bunch of information on our website for borrowers and service providers related to student loans.
The number to call is up on your screen, and I'll put a link to all of the resources on our News 5 app and website. In Cleveland, Katie Houston, News 5.